Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Baking and Buttercream. My name is William, and today we are making some New Year's cupcakes. So, let's take a break and bake. For decoration you need white buttercream frosting, Oreos, black food coloring, and blue food coloring. Before we get started on making these cupcakes, I just want to say I'm so sorry that this video wasn't up last week like it should have been. I got sick and my voice was all messed up and then I was coughing. Yeah, so it wasn't a good thing. So I wasn't able to film this video. But so now here we are, and we will continue on with our regular video schedule. So to make these cupcakes, what you're going to do is going to go ahead and bake some chocolate cupcakes. There's a link in the recipe card up above for my cake video. You can go there, use my chocolate cake recipe, and just put it into cupcake tins instead of putting it in just a cake pan. So whenever your muffins are all done baking and chilling, you're going to go ahead and take your white buttercream frosting and put it into a piping bag. But before you do that, just using a little bit of your gel blue food coloring, just take a paintbrush and just dip it into your gel food coloring and brush it up in lines or in strokes up on the piping bag. That way, when you put the white frosting in it and it comes out, you will have a slight blue swirl on the cupcake and it'll just look beautiful. So after you've put the stripes of the gel food coloring in the piping bag, go ahead and put some of your white frosting in that piping bag and then pipe it onto the cupcake, just a classic swirl. Now what you're going to do, taking your Oreos, you're going to take off one part of the cookie and smooth out the cream, getting rid of any cookie crumbs that could be on it. And using some leftover of your white frosting, take your black food coloring and dye some of it gray or black. Now, you're just going to put this into another piping bag with a small tip and then pipe onto the Oreo the numbers 12, 3, 6, and 9, and kind of like a clock. Then you will also pipe on the minute hand and the hour hand. This is our cupcake topper for the cupcakes, so whenever those are done, put those in the freezer or the refrigerator for a few minutes. That way they can get nice and firm. And then what you're going to do while those are in the freezer or in the refrigerator, go ahead, and this is very optional, but take some gold and silver luster dust and sprinkle it onto the cupcake. Now the reason why I'm saying to keep the clocks in the refrigerator while you're doing this is because if you don't, the luster dust will get onto the clocks themselves, and I made that mistake on a few of them on the first time, so you don't want to do that. You just want the luster dust on the frosting of the cupcake. Now before we put the finishing touches on this cupcake, I just want to say we are so close to 375 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. And whenever we reach that, I will do a challenge video with one of my friends. We'll be doing the Grow Smoothie Challenge. So yeah, please reach that 375 subscriber goal. I'm really excited. This channel has gone really far, and I'm really happy about it. Now let's continue decorating our cupcake. So after the luster dust is all on the frosting, go ahead and take your Oreo and put it right on top. It was really fun making this New Year's themed cupcake for you. It was really fun with the little clock on top. So if you enjoyed this video, you'll enjoy these two right here. The top one YouTube recommends. I recommend this bottom one. And click over here to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good day and see you next time.